Right.
This is for you to try.
Okay.
These are all handcrafted perfumes, sir. What do you think of this one?
Do you have something in oud?
Yeah, we
I like something like strong fragrance.
Yes. Can I give you a few cents?
Yeah, sure.
So all of these are handcrafted and will last you the whole day.
What is the name of your brand? Aesthete.
Aesthete. Yes.
Okay.
Let me give you a nice wood one. Wood
Okay.
will just try this one. This is strong, it's nice, it's long lasting as well. That is good. And what is this?
Mhm.
This is another one. This is wood and a bit of fruity as well.
That had rose in it, right?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
rose in it. Oh, you know the scent, huh? You know the rose scent. You don't prefer something rose in it, or do you?
No,
You don't like-
It doesn't has to be fruity. It doesn't has to be floral. It has to be like very strong, dominating.
Dominating
kind of.
scent. Okay.
So I used to have a leather oud from Zara. I couldn't find it. Then Zara had one more fragrance which was white oud.
Beautiful. Oh, you like something more masculine as well?
Yes.
Can I give you that?
It should not have any fruity or a floral
Yes,
or
okay.
a herby note.
This is more of a leathery vanilla and wood scent.
Mhm.
So this is more of a very strong one. Strong scent.
More of fennel. It has a very strong scent of fennel.
Fennel.
Yes.
This one is actually saffron, vanilla and wood.
Mhm.
So this does not have fruits. You can try this one. This is our newest one actually. Rouge Oud.
This is nice.
This is nice. Rouge
I have something like this which I got from Dubai.
from Dubai. And Dubai perfumes are amazing as well.
This scent, like you're mentioning it as Rug Oud.
Rouge Oud.
What I have is a little bit more stronger version,
Stronger.
which is a blood oud.
A blood wood, yes.
Blood
like
wood.
red blood wood. Vanilla spices and scent. The longer you smell it, it tastes better and better and better. This one will change. It's going to be better and better. More masculine also. So this is for you to reset your nose.
Yeah. Yes.
I have to give one for the miss as well. This is for you, miss. A beautiful raspberry and honey and vanilla. This is a very unique one. It's lady luxurious for the day. You have to try that one, sir. You have to try that one. It's a beautiful, beautiful honey.
nice.
scent. Okay, can I give you another one?
Sure.
Are you like outdoors a lot? Do you go out a lot as well?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're gonna sweat a lot sometimes,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
So,
So vlogging is not an easy task.
so this one, this is more of a bergamot
Okay.
and a bit of pineapple. So it's fresh, it's sweet as well.
Yeah. It's sweeter. Yeah.
But then if you sweat a lot, this is still perfect.
But sweet ones do not suit my personality. It doesn't suit my personality.
I see.
I look like someone who has just had a jailbreak,
Okay. No more sweet ones.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna give you much more masculine ones straight up. This is more of a bergamot and a bit of fresh aquatic scent.
Yeah.
Because this is like, if you sweat, it will smell better. Coffee for you, sir.
So lastly we were here during New Year's Eve, and we came to this market like it was like second day of our trip. Then we did a lot of purchasing from here, and we actually wanted to buy more stuff. But that particular day, I think due to New Year's Eve, everything was removed.
Removed. Okay, there's no place here.
Sorry?
Everything was removed from.
Yeah, nothing. There was not even a single stall. So unfortunately, we had to go. Very disappointed. But yeah.
No, okay, that's so sad.
Are you from Malaysia?
Yeah, I'm local here.
Okay.
This one's real. I am also involved in making everyone this local as well.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's fully local perfumes.
That's so nice. I would love to promote it actually in my vlog.
Thank you. How long have you been working?
So after walking me through his beautiful perfume collection, me and this young Malaysian entrepreneur had some round of conversations in which he was telling me about how he was invested in his business, how he loves to interact with customers, how he loves to present his brand, and also he was asking me about my travel experiences to Malaysia, how many times I have been to Malaysia, and how do I compare my other travel experiences to ones there in Malaysia. And also, we had a great conversation. He was a great guy and very polite, very generous, and very gentle, and very understanding as well. Yes. So ever since, so we have been traveling to. So the last travel was in August in Hong Kong. We were in Macau and Hong Kong. So lovely place. Hong Kong is
Hong
lovely.
Kong is amazing. So
People call it a concrete jungle, but I totally deny. Hong Kong is a beautiful place.
how about the language? Language barrier. Can I just easily speak English there? Like everyone can speak English.
So Hong Kong is better. Macau is not.
Macau is it's a bit harder to speak.
It's very hard to conversate in Macau, and you know, if God forbid you have an emergency, right, you cannot actually go and speak to someone or ask for help.
Oh my god! Yeah.
And because you know, they have this very okay, I do not blame them. Everybody has their own behavior, but they, instead of saying that I don't know, or you know, I'm sorry, I don't know, they just start, you know, at a distance.
Yeah,
For example, I'm here right now and I say, excuse me, no. They start doing that, and that is and that is a very you know, cold gesture that doesn't makes you feel at home.
At home, yeah. Don't feel welcome. So Hong Kong is.
Hong Kong, it's a mix. It's a mix. If people don't know, they straight away tell you they don't know. And you know, when we were planning this travel, I was very skeptical at first. Because I never heard of Hong Kong as a tourist place.
Yeah.
But you know, she was adamant that we won't need to go to Hong Kong. But when I went there, my perspective changed. So,
So this day it changed. So it's worth it for me to go traveling there.
yeah, definitely. You should.
mind.
You should. I think you should promote this there as well.
It would be nice. Hopefully one day. One
Right.
day I would love to travel and work there.
That's super. But I'll definitely promote this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, so I'm here at Central Market. Already have seen. So your name is
Umair.
Umair.
yeah.
Umair. So Umair has beautifully portrayed his entire collections, and the name of the brand is Aesthete. And he. No, it's okay, it's okay. So he has done a fantastic display of his collection, and he lives it, he breathes it. And whenever you're coming to Malaysia, visit Central Market, or maybe you can always, you know, ask for Aesthete. Or if you can, you have any Instagram which you would like.
Instagram is called Aesthete Perfume as well.
You have any QR code which you would like to share with your clients?
QR code, but
They
we
can
have
definitely DM you
This
on
is
Instagram.
bank QR, but you can easily just go to here, Aesthete.
So
Perfume.
Aesthete is the
Aesthete on
Instagram channel.
Yes.
You can always go there and DM whenever you're in Malaysia. You can always contact him, and yes, he has a fantastic collection. And for both ladies and men, so it's a must visit, right? It's right opposite Pasar Bazaar.
Bazaar, yes.
Pasar Bazaar, right opposite Pasar Bazaar. He's the gentleman, charming little man. Okay, nice meeting you, brother.
Nice meeting you
Okay.
guys. Take care.
Thank
Have a
you.
good time.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.